Hi viewers, hi everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Mind Maths. Thank you everyone for watching this video. And today's topic is trigonometry. In this trigonometry, I'm taking a small topic that is sine and cos values. How will we change the sine and cos values? How the values of sine and cos increases and decreases from 0 to 90 or 90 to 0. Okay, now we know in the previous video I explained how we can find the sine value and cos values, cos sine theta and the cos theta. If we take, how we can prepare a table easily, I explained in the previous video. Simply I am writing now. You see a sine and cos only we taken, and we can prepare this table sine, cos, and six trigonometric ratios and five angles. The angles are 0 and 30, 45, next to 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, how we can prepare easily, and the table trick of trigonometric table I explained in the previous video. You can watch in the previous video. Just you have to search in the playlist 10th class, named 10th class. You see now class 10 or 10th class. Sine theta, sine 0. That means sine 0 value is 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. And sine 91. And cos 0. Just we have to write the sine values in the reverse manner. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 will come here, and 0 this one. So cos 0 value 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45, cos 60 and cos 90. Okay, now we have to take this one. Use here. Suppose if capital A and capital B are angles, are any two angles. Okay, suppose A is less than or equal to B. That means angle A is less than B or equal. Okay, what will happen in the sine values, sine A and sine B? We have to take sine A and sine B. What will come here? Less than or greater than symbol will come. Once we have to see this. A less than B we have to take. You see here in this less than and equal also there. First we have to take A less than B. For example, A value 0 and B value 30. I'm taking A value 0 and B value 30. Okay, then sine 0 will come here. Sine A means sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. And next to sine B, sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Which is small one in this? 0 is smaller than 1 by 2. Okay, 0 is smaller than, that means this value is 0 and this value is 1 by 2. So we can write like this. That means sine A less than sine B. For any example, for any degrees, here this one 0 you take and this one 45 you take. We can observe in this table sine values are 0. Actually here we written that degrees from 0 to 90 degrees in ascending manner. That means 0 is small and 30, 45, 60 and 90. 90 is big one in this. So small to big we written. That means in ascending manner we written this degrees or angles. So now sine values you see. You watch, just you observe the sine values. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These also increasing. These values also increasing. Of course, these one are increasing. These values are increasing. That means this angles are increasing. Sine values also increasing. Okay, that means both are proportional to each other. This angles and sine values. Okay, so we can write here less than. Suppose A and B are equal. What will happen? A and B are equal. If you take 45 and this one 45. Okay, if both are 45, their values also equal. That is why we written we can write like this. Okay. So here the important point is this one. It is very important in the in 10th class or in any competitive examination. This one. If A less than or equal to B, if A less than or equal to B, then sin A is also less than or equal to sin B. Okay, now we check for the cos. What will happen? Cos A and the cos B we take like this. Okay, now you see in the table you cos theta 1 root 3 by 2. 1 is more than root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2 is more than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is more than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is more than 0. That means these values, that means cos values are decreasing manner, in decreasing manner. That means in the decreasing order, big to small. Okay? If the angles are increasing, then the cos values are decreasing. So we can write here if A less than or equal to B, then cos A is greater than or equal to cos B will come. Okay, this is very important, and this one also very important in the 10th class or intermediate or class 10 or class 11, and also in every competitive examination. Okay, if in the sign here less than or equal, and then will come here less than or equal. Same. Suppose if here greater than or equal to will come, and here also greater than or equal to. And then now you observe in this. If it is less than or equal, and this is greater than or equal, this in reverse manner will come. If this one greater than or equal, and this one less than or equal will come. Okay, this is the important point. Now in the next two, tan we have to take A less than or equal to B, and then what will happen in the values of tan ratio, tan A and tan B take now. Okay, and before that we have to write here tan values. What will come in the tan values? Tan theta. So tan is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. We know that. So tan theta 0 by 1, 0 by 1, 0 only, and 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3, and 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. It is 1, 1. Okay, and this one root 3 by 2 by 1 by root 1 by 2 root 3, and 1 by 0 is infinity. 1 by 0 division by 0 is not defined or not exist. That is why we can say it is not defined or infinitive. Infinitive means much value. So now we have to see these values 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, and infinity. So 0 is less than 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 is less than 1, 1 is less than root 3. Because of root 3 value 1 point something will come. Okay, it is more than 1 or less. So this value also increasing. Okay, so we have to write here A less than or equal to B, then tan is less than or equal to B, less than or equal to tan B. Okay, this is the okay. Similarly we know, and we have to know we can write for cot and cosec and sec values. Okay, here the important point is here A comma B are acute angles only. That means acute are 0 to 90. Actually, these acute angles are 0 between 0 and 90, and including 0 and 90 also we can take for this. Okay, if we take more than 90 angles, will we change these values? If we take more than 90, only we will change this one. Okay, I think you are understand. Okay, so it is very important, and this is about today's topic. Thank you everyone. In the next video, I will come to mm, with an important thing. Okay, now thank you everyone. If you not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Okay.